AWS error from Python, no module named lambda_function. I am creating a AWS Lambda Python deployment package. I am using one external dependency requests. I installed the external dependency using the AWS documentation. Below is my Python code. Created the zip the content of the project dir directory and uploaded to the Lambda zip the directory content, not the directory. When I am execute the function I am getting the below mentioned error.
Error was due to file name of the Lambda function. While creating the Lambda function it will ask for Lambda function handler. You have to name it python_file_name.method_name. In this scenario, I named it lambda.lambda_handler, lambda.py is the file name. Please find below the snapshot.
If you are uploading a zip file, make sure that you are zipping the contents of the directory and not the directory itself.
Another source of this problem is the permissions on the file that is zipped. It must be at least worldwide readable. Minchmod 444. I ran the following on the Python file before zipping it and it worked fine.
I found Nitin's answer very helpful. Here is a specific walkthrough. Look up these values. The name of the lambda_handler function in your Python script. The name used in the AWS examples is lambda_handler looking like def lambda_handler event context. In this case, the value is lambda_handler. In the Lambda dashboard, find the name of the handler in the handler text box in the configuration section in the Lambda dashboard for the function, shown in Nitin's screenshot. My default name was lambda_function.lambda_handler, the name of your Python script. Let's say it's call.py. With these values, you would need to rename the handler, shown in the screenshot, to call.lambda_handler. This is one way to get rid of the unable to import module lambda_function error message. If you were to rename the handler in your Python script to something, you'd need to rename the handler in the Lambda dashboard to call.sup.